was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up building her castle walls.
DJ 56 Pimp.
Now